Okay guys, I wanted to show you how to get on to our science readings. These are going to look like the textbooks that you have in class. So what you do is you go on Clever, and once you're on Clever you see all these different apps and you want to go to this guy. He has a little yellow smiley face and it's called Ed. You may have seen him on our plants. Once you click him, it's going to take you to this page. And what you need to do is come over here and click assignments. And then right here will be what it is that we are working on that I have assigned to you. So like for this week, I have assigned what makes up the human body reading. So you will go in here and click start or continue. And it'll go right to the pages of our textbook. So you can read through the pages that I have assigned to you as classwork. Thank you. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.